सो है गाइस, दिस इज वर्षा एंड यू आर वाचिंग मास्टरमाइंड। सो गाइस, जैसे कि आपने इस वीडियो के टाइटल में देखा, यू विल हैव टू एक्सेप्ट द चैलेंजेस ऑफ बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस 2020 फॉर द रिमेनिंग एग्जामिनेशंस। सो गाइस, जैसे कि वो नोटिस 1 मई 2020 को काउंसिल की तरफ से रिलीज हुआ, इन विच इट वाज मेंशन्ड दैट द रिमेनिंग एग्जामिनेशंस इट शैल नॉट बी कैंसल्ड एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी कंडक्टेड एंड you will be informed 8 days prior to the commencement of the examinations. So you already know all these things. So many of the students, they are very tense regarding the board examinations. So guys, now most of the students, they are dissatisfied with this decision of the council, this particular decision regarding the board examinations, that it shall be conducted, and due to this COVID-19 crisis, none of us would like to go and give the examinations. So this is the main problem, and at the same time now, because the council did not inform you earlier regarding the board examinations, because it was due to the situation, they could not decide whether the examination it is going to be conducted or whether it is not going to be conducted. So at this particular time also, the situation it is not relieving, but still the council has already confirmed on 1st of May that the examinations for the remaining subjects, both for ICSE as well as IAC 2020, it is going to be conducted, and it will be conducted even on Saturdays and Sundays. That means there won't be any gaps in between. So now many students, they have already forgotten the things that they have studied before. So it was quite a long days gap in between, and at the same time, because council did not inform you earlier regarding this, now many of the students, they thought that the exams would be cancelled, and they have started with the preparation for your class 11. But since the council has confirmed that the remaining examinations are going to be conducted, so आप में से बहुत सारे लोग मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ रहे थे कि क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि एग्जाम्स ऑलरेडी उन्होंने बोल दिया कि एग्जाम्स होगा, लेकिन फिर कंडीशन सिचुएशन के हिसाब से क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि अगर ये सिचुएशन बेटर नहीं हुआ, सो इफ द सिचुएशन इट इज वर्स्ट आफ्टर 17th of May 2020, so can it so happen that the exams will be cancelled and the council will take back its decision regarding the examinations that it is going to be conducted? Will the council take back its words? So telling you that instead of thinking all this, now the council has confirmed study pattern it was completely disturbed once you were studying for the remaining subjects you were revising, and then you started your preparations for your class 11. But suddenly again now there is news from the council that the remaining exams are going to be conducted, but you will have to accept the challenges of the board examinations, and it is not in your hands. So guys, suppose if the lockdown is not extended further after 17th of May 2020, then hopefully on 18th or 19th the revised dates are going to be published in the official website. So as the council have already said earlier in the notice which was released that they are going to tell you 8 days prior to the commencement of the examination. So if you calculate, then hopefully 27th और 28th से पहले आपका एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट नहीं होगा, 27th में और 28th में इससे पहले आपका एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट नहीं होगा, उसके बाद ही होगा. सो होपफुली अगर 17th May 2020 के बाद लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड नहीं होता है, तो गाइस 28th May 2020 से पहले तो आपका एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट नहीं होगा, उसके बाद ही होगा. आइदर इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 29th of May और इट कैन ऑल्सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1st of June 2020. So it totally depends on the council, but they are also in a rush to conduct the examination as soon as possible, because already there is so much of delay due to this COVID-19 crisis, due to this pandemic. It is important to start the preparation for the remaining subjects. I know that nobody is interested to give the examinations, but mind you, even they cannot cancel the examination because it is not an ordinary examinations, rather it is a board examination. Suppose अगर exams cancel हो जाता है and you would be given marks based on your pre-board results, if your marks are awarded on the basis of your pre-board examination marks, so it is not important that all students have done very well in the pre-board examination, and it would not be fair with all the students. So the exams, they are going to be conducted under strict precautions, so you will have to accept and you will have to start preparing for the rest of the subjects. So hopefully आपका जो कि पहले का subjects था, so geography पहले होगा, उसके बाद जो subjects पहले था hopefully वही रहेगा, लेकिन आपका continuously exam होगा, gaps नहीं होगा, और साथ ही साथ जो कि revised dates है वो भी आ जाएगा अगर lockdown 17th May के बाद extend नहीं हुआ तो. So friends, this was the video. That's all for today, and besides this, if you have any doubts or queries, then you can write to us in the comment section. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind. Thank you.